Want to use your Rogers remote with your Rogers Ignite box? It's easy. This video shows you how to pair your Rogers XR11 or XR15 remote to your Ignite TV box in under a minute. First, ensure your Ignite box is powered on and connected to your TV. Then, grab your Rogers remote and press and hold the microphone, voice search button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the remote's LED light start flashing. That means it's in pairing mode. The Ignite box should automatically detect the remote. You'll see a confirmation message pop up on your TV screen, and the LED light on the remote will turn solid. To test it out, press the home button or try a voice command like go to CNN, and that's it, your remote is paired. This uses a Bluetooth connection, giving you a reliable range of up to 30 feet. Sometimes pairing doesn't go as smoothly. If you're having trouble, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, make sure your remote's batteries aren't low. If pairing still fails, try power cycling your Ignite box. Unplug it, wait 15 seconds, and plug it back in. Then, try the pairing process again. Another tip, remove the batteries from your remote for about 15 seconds, then reinsert them and try pairing. Interference from other Bluetooth devices can also cause issues, so try moving other devices away from the Ignite box and remote. If all else fails, the Rogers app can also be used to pair your remote as a backup. Keeping your Ignite box firmware updated through the settings menu is essential for best performance. Rogers voice commands have improved by 15% through AI enhancements this year, so it is important to keep your firmware updated.